In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign a PDF using Fill and Sign in Acrobat. Whether you're on desktop, the web, or a mobile device, the process is simple, consistent, and quick. Start by opening the PDF you want to sign in Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, look to the right-hand pane and choose Fill and Sign. If you don't see it there, go to the Tools tab at the top and select Fill and Sign from the list. This workspace is designed to help you complete any form fields and add a signature or your initials without changing the original layout of the document. If your PDF includes form fields, fill those out first. Click directly where you see a field or anywhere you need to type, and start entering your information. Take a moment to review spelling, dates, and numbers now before you sign, so everything is accurate and ready. When you're ready to add your signature or initials, look at the Fill and Sign toolbar and click Sign. Depending on your device, this may appear as Add Signature or Add Initials. A dialog will open with three options: type, draw, or upload an image. If you choose to type, Acrobat will convert your name into a clean, script-style signature. If you prefer to draw, use your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to write it out by hand. If you already have a picture of your signature, you can upload that image for a more personal look. For best results with an image, use a clear, high-contrast photo on a white background. Once you're happy with how your signature or initials look, click Apply. Your cursor will turn into the signature, and you can place it exactly where you want it to appear in the document, typically on a signature line or near a date field. After placing it, you can move the signature by dragging it, and you can resize it by dragging the corners to fit neatly within the space provided. When everything looks good, save the PDF. Saving embeds your signature into the file so it travels with the document wherever it goes. If you're using Acrobat on the web, complete the process and then download the signed file to your device. On mobile, the steps are the same. Open the file, use Fill and Sign, add your signature, place it, and save. That's it. You've used Fill and Sign to complete fields and add a professional signature quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you sign your next document.